Ma'am, can you tell first chapter?
Yes, please switch on your video, all of you. Those who have not submitted their copies, they will submit it in the official mail ID. Those who have not submitted their art integration project, they will also submit it anyhow by tomorrow last, and marks will be deducted for them. Let me make it very clear. And the next thing is that please be attentive now and concentrate on your studies. So with these lines, I welcome you all to today's class, and please take out your copy and book for the syllabus which is needed to be discussed in the class itself. The first chapter which I have said that is a poem, Somebody's Mother. Can we change this? Journey to the center of the earth. Imagination. Feather friend. The choice. The red-headed league. Haunted houses.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Clear? So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
grammar portion. Right there only you can write the name of the grammar chapters. There only.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
Article.
Articles. Where is
Subject and predicate.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute. Subject and predicate.
Active and passive.
Yes, ma'am.
Conjunction.
Conjunction.
Preposition.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Conjunction.
So the chapters now, that's all.
Conjunction.
Conjunction, preposition, tenses.
Tenses. Yes.
I repeat, article, subject and predicate, active and passive, conjunction, preposition, tenses.
Yes, ma'am.
Then in,
6 chapters.
then in writing skill, letter writing and paragraph writing.
Letter and paragraph only.
That's all.
Letter. Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Value-based questions will be asked. Just note it down somewhere.
Letter writing and
One by one, I will give answer to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Completed.
what are in writing skill, letter writing and
Paragraph writing. Paragraph
Okay,
or story. Paragraph or story. It can be anything, right?
Yes, ma'am. Over, ma'am.
Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any problem?
ma'am, letter.
Yes, in letter.
Ma'am, formal or informal letter?
Both you have to prepare. And this time I am going to be very, very strict because I have to take you all to the level of class 9th. So, when I am talking and when I am going to say that you have to prepare for your final examination, what you have to do is, if I ask you to prepare for the literature portion, you will prepare yourself 110%. Because I can ask I can ask about the writer, I can ask about the poet, I can ask about any line in the chapter, I can ask what does the poet means about it, I can ask internal questions, I can ask questions related to the, what should I say, related to the writer, related to the poet, exactly in the same pattern which class 9 students are giving.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to prepare you all for your high school section. Right? Grammar will be in the
Yes,
form of integrated grammar.
Mean?
Integrated grammar means it will be a mixed bag of all the topics.
Yes, ma'am.
Means one question can be of preposition, one question can be of conjunction, one question can be of tense, one question can be of
Articles.
active and passive subject. Means it will be a mixed bag of questions. Clear? That is known as
Yes, ma'am.
integrated grammar. It's a mixed bag. Clear? Got it? Now, your question will consist of two parts, part A and part B. We are preparing the question paper exactly like the board pattern which is going on for 9th and 10th.
Yes, ma'am.
We are exactly following the board pattern. We are not changing anything else. CBSE board pattern only. The pattern of the question paper will be like that only. It will have two parts, part A and part B. If you want to write down, you can write it down. Part A and part B. Okay. This part A will be of objective type, 40 marks question. Part B will be of subjective type, 40 marks question. पहले कैसा होता था? Reading scale, writing scale, literature, everything.
Literature.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? This pattern was there. Section A, section B, section C. Now this time there will be no such kind of sections. There will be basically two parts. Part A and part B. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Very clear.
Part A will be totally objective type questions. Means even if it is a reading skill also, then also it will be objective. If it is an extract, then also it can be objective. Grammar portion, then also it can be objective. Objective in the sense it can be anything, true and false, right or wrong. What we can say, fill up, है ना, one word, anything, any kind of objective type of questions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this pattern will be there for part A. Part B, totally subjective, completely subjective.
Yes.
Right answers. In that part, you will also get value-based questions. Value-based questions will be asked from you all. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Value-based questions, you know how to answer them.
Yes.
I'm going to be very strict about the format, about the pattern, about the things which I have explained you, about the language, about the vocabulary, about punctuation marks, about the pattern format. I am going to be very serious. Okay, I will deduct half marks for every small mistake. Clear, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, any doubt, any problem regarding this?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good then. Anyone else? Are you all sure I have explained you how to write in the examination if it is online? Explained you?
Or offline. Yes, ma'am.
I have given
Yes,
you
ma'am.
the syllabus. I have given you the syllabus,
Yes, ma'am.
and very soon you will be getting it in the typed form in the your WhatsApp groups.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
very
ma'am.
soon also you will be getting the timetable also. So please draft your portion, take out a print and stick it on the table. Okay, take out your class printout and just stick it on the table, which is very, very important for you now. Now, there was a notice given for in your class WhatsApp group, if you all remember.
Ma'am, yesterday na?
Yes, story writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Story.
Sorry. Seen the notice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I want names. I have only got Bhumika's name. Anyone else would like to give
What, ma'am?
names? You have seen the notice?
And what is call of duty?
Call of duty means, for example, you are in a military, right? You came
Yes,
for
ma'am.
your holidays to your house, but there was a call of duty. तुरंत आपको बुलाया गया and you have to move on.
Yes.
Clear? Go through the message carefully. Then after you just give it to me.
Yes.
Acha. You have any doubt related to any chapter?
Oh,
Ma'am, I'm having.
Yes, beta.
no, ma'am, this time.
Ma'am, radiated leak.
On that day we were discussing, na?
Ma'am, half was only done. We did only half of the chapter.
Okay. Who will explain, Bhumika? Would you like to explain? Bhumika, now it is your turn to participate in the class and explain. Yes? My
She
job.
was only explaining.
I can't hear you.
She was only explaining.
She was only explaining. Bhumika? 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 Not there in class. Bhumika? Who else can do that?
What, ma'am?
Explain the chapter repeatedly. Who can do that? Pulkit?
No, ma'am.
Acha, chalo. Let us do one thing. Who can start the reading of that chapter?
Can I?
Chalo, one by one. I will recap the chapter.
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Yes, start.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your video, Pulkit.
Yes, ma'am. 137. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So, Unit 6, Beyond the Wheel. Section 1, Red-Headed Leak. The Red-Headed Leak. Here is a play that portrays the brilliant Sherlock Holmes at his best. Sherlock Holmes, the famous detective. Dr. Watson, a doctor and Sherlock's friend. Jabez Wilson, a red-haired shopkeeper. Vincent Spaulding, Wilson's assistant, also known as John Clare. Duncan Ross, Spaulding's accomplice, a man with red hair. Mr. Jones, a detective from Scotland Yard. Scene 1. Sherlock Holmes and Jabez Wilson are sitting in Holmes' study. Holmes has the newspaper Morning Chronicle in his hand. Holmes, reading from a newspaper.
Okay,
To
Pulkit.
the red-headed leak.
Pulkit.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the
Yes,
first scene explaining? What is the first scene?
Yes, ma'am. When Sherlock Holmes and Jabez Wilson are sitting in Holmes' study, Holmes has the newspaper Morning Chronicle in his hand. Ma'am, Sherlock.
Chronicle. It is
Chronicle?
Chronicle. Huh.
Ma'am, what is Chronicle?
Chronicle is the name of the paper, better like Hindustan Times, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Times of India, likewise, Chronicle is also the name of the paper. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Holmes, reading from a newspaper. To the red-headed league, there is now a vacancy which entitles a member of the league to a salary of £4 a week for purely nominal services. All red-headed men who are sounded in body and mind and above the age of 21 are eligible. Apply in person on Monday at 11 o'clock to Duncan Ross at the offices of the League.
Okay.
7 Pope's Court, Fleet Street, London.
Yes, Pulkit. Till here, what you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Holmes is reading the newspaper about the Red-Headed League. There is now a vacancy which entitles a member of the league. Ma'am, there is a league. There is now a vacancy which entitles a member of the league. Ma'am, there is a league.
There is a vacancy, beta.
There is a vacancy, ma'am. What is vacancy?
Of these type of people are like red-headed league, जिनके बाल लाल.
Yes, ma'am. To a salary of £4. In this, those members of Red-Headed League, a salary of £4 a week for purely nominal services. In this vacancy, those who was the member of Red-Headed League giving a salary of £4 in a week for purely nominal services. All red-headed men who are sound in body and mind and above the age of 21.
Okay. Pulkit, wait. Now, whatever you have read till here, जहाँ तक कि तुम पढ़े हो, till that point, Keshav will explain all of us. Keshav, Naman.
Yes, ma'am.
Till here you have heard what Pulkit read out. Pulkit ने क्या पढ़ा आपने सुना?
Yes, ma'am.
Till here you also switch on your video. Pulkit will read and he will explain. Yes, Naman.
Ma'am, just wait for a second.
I will wait for a second. Okay, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your video. Start. Naman, explain us.
Yes, ma'am. From starting now.
Till the place where Pulkit has read out. Pulkit, just point out the line to Naman.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. 7th Pope's Court, Fleet Street, London. Page number 138, first para. Up to London.
Start, Naman.
Okay, ma'am. On the red-head, ma'am, where he ends?
Pulkit.
Till London.
Till London only?
Yeah, yep.
Okay. On the red-headed league, there was an league whose hair was colored red. There is now a vacancy which entitles a member of the league or to the salary of. In the a newspaper, it was written that the league whose hair will red, he will get a salary of £4 for a week for purely for her service. All red-headed league men who are sound in body and mind and above the age. All red-headed league, those who are above the age of 21 and eligible, apply in person on Monday at 7 o'clock to Duncan Ross at the office of the league. 7 People's Court, Fleet Street, London.
So what you come to know that there was a discussion. They were sitting over there in the armchair. They were discussing. They were reading out the paper. This way you have to explain, Naman.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Gunjan.
ma'am, I understood. Can I explain?
अच्छा ठीक है नमन just wait for 1 minute. Let her explain. Gunjan, switch on your.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Can I
Yes.
start, ma'am?
yes.
To Wilson, most interesting. Mr. Wilson, most interesting. The door opens and Watson comes in. Watson, Holmes, I am sorry. I am sorry. I didn't know. Holmes, come in, Watson. This is Mr. Jabez Wilson. He comes with a very interesting problem. Mr. Wilson, Dr. Watson has accompanied me on my investigations, and you can speak freely in front of him as you do with me. Will you tell your story again for
Okay.
Dr. Watson?
Okay. Now, who will explain? Who will explain? First, Gunjan, are you ready?
Ma'am, I'm telling about the starting part.
Okay, starting से लेके यहाँ तक के. Do it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this story, Holmes is reading a newspaper. In the newspaper, it was written that there is a vacancy which has been in that a person who has red-headed and the person who is above the age of 21 can participate in that. Ma'am, and the salary of that vacancy is £4 of a week.
For a week.
For a week. Ma'am, and
What was the job, बेटा? Gunjan, what was the job? क्या काम था? What was the job of that person, red-headed person? क्या नौकरी था उसका?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Can I? Purely nominal services.
Ma'am, to copying encyclopedia.
Yes. Copying encyclopedia was the job, and for that he was going to get £4 every week. Got it? Now Pulkit move on.
Yes, ma'am. Give him the advertisement to read.
Advertisement.
Wilson gives the newspaper to Watson. Holmes to Watson. You can tell, no doubt, that our silent has been to China and has done quite a bit of writing lately. Wilson, shocked. Why, Howin? Holmes to Wilson. You have a tattoo? You have a tattoo of a fish with pink scales on your right wrist that indicates a process particular to China, and that Chinese coin dangling from your keychain provides further evidence. Wilson, but the writing? Holmes, why your right cuff is very shiny compared to your left one, and the left one has a smooth patch near the elbow, where you rest it upon the desk. Wilson, amused. Yes, that's right. Watson, putting away the newspaper. It's very strange indeed. Wilson, looking excited. It is strange, isn't it? Do you see the day and the month of the newspaper?
Okay.
Watson.
Okay. Okay. Till here, who will explain? Till here, who will explain? Bhumika is sleeping today. Chaitanya is also sleeping today. Chaitanya? Chaitanya, I told you, na, he is sleeping. Who will explain? Girls? My goodness.
May I explain the whole chapter?
Who, Bhumika? Oh my
Yes,
God,
ma'am.
you got up so early? In the beginning of the class, I was continuously calling you. Pulkit is reading out actually. Okay. Pulkit, do one thing. It's too much left now. Let us hear something from Bhumika, what she explains. Okay, Pulkit? Just let us wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhumika, switch on the video.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I have started my video.
Where were you, Bhumika? Sach bolna. Please give me the names, those who are participating for story writing. Except Bhumika, no one else has given me the names. I want the names. Start, Bhumika. Just explain it as if you are explaining a story. Okay, Bhumika?
Yes, ma'am.
And switch on the video.
Yes, ma'am. Once upon a time, a man named Wilson he got a pamphlet written with here's a red-headed league. All red-headed mans who are sound body and mind above the age of 21 are eligible to apply in this competition. Apply in person on Monday at 11 o'clock at to Duncan Ross at the office of the League 7 Pops Court, Fleet Street, London. There they were called to participate. So the servant of his shop, he has his own shop. The servant of his shop told him, insisted him that you are eligible to participate in this league. So you must go and participate in this league. He went to that area where this could be, he could participate. And then after going there, the street was full of so many red-headed men. But after when he went for his interview, then he was selected, and he was told the time that at this time you need to come at 10 in the morning. He need to come and join the job from next day onwards. So he went to that place, and the work given for him was to rewrite the encyclopedia and for a week he'll get extra he'll get £4 for a week of writing encyclopedia, copying encyclopedia. He was thinking that copying encyclopedia is such an easy job as well as it is a weird job. So he thought that I should do this, and from that day onwards he was completely going to that place. And when he comes in the morning at 10 and he goes home at 2 in the afternoon, and he worked there totally for 8 weeks. At the next day, after for the 9th week starting, when he went to that place where he always go for joining that red-headed league, on that door this was written that the red-headed league is finished 21 June 1890. Then he was very worried, and like he was asking to the people, the shopkeepers near that shop, that where Mr. Ross went, the owner of that red-headed league. So no, everyone told that I don't know, or I am not close to him. Then he went to Wilson and Holmes, the detectives, and he told this whole story to Holmes, and after some times Wilson joined him. His close friend Wilson joined him, and they both were now listening to this story. And after that, they were shocked after listening this, that how could be a red-headed league like this could happen, and they were laughing. And then they both told him that now you may leave, you can go to your home, we'll solve this case and we'll tell you the right thing what should be happened. And then just know what is the place, means what's the area where is shop, and little bit they know about their the servant of the Jarvis Wilson shop. The second day, they went to the Saxburg Square, to the shop of Jarvis Wilson, where they met the servant of the shop, and they asked some question to him, that means the servant only asked them that why you have come, what's the work. And in his leg from below to knee to his toe, the mud was applied, and Holmes told that to Watson that he is a clever young man, and he told Holmes told that tonight we'll meet at 10 o'clock at this place only, and to the nearby place, there was a bank also, to the in that Saxburg Square only. So at night at 10 a.m. both Watson and Holmes came to that place. And when Watson was coming to the place where Holmes lived, there were two men more, two detectives, famous men were more. So they both joined also to them, and then they went to that place. They entered to the shop, and and there was no light there. After entering to that shop,
Yes.
there was no one at that place, but Holmes told that you may stand at that side. I'm entering slowly, but the area was full with big boxes. And after some time, after waiting, hiding some time there, he noticed that after some time the light is coming out from the stairs. Something is means something is opening from the tiles, and the man came, the servant came out of that and